Hello friends, this is Dr. P.R. Chaudhary from KKV College of Food Technology, Nasik. Today we will be studying about different packing house operations. So, the post-harvest handling of fruits and vegetables, we have certain common operations while there are certain differences also. Now let us first study or go through quickly the different operations which occur during handling of fruits. First you harvest the fruit, then after harvesting you have to immediately pre-cool the fruits to reduce or bring down the field heat or remove the field heat. Then you sort the fruits, washing is done, any waxing of the fruits or chemical treatments like ethylene degrading is done. Then the fruits are sized or graded. Then afterwards they will be packed and stored at the proper temperature depending on the produce. Then they will be transported to the wholesaler, and from wholesaler they will be again resized, repacked, restored, and again transported to the retailer or consumers. Example, if the fruit is harvested, example mango is harvested in Konkan area, the wholesaler will be in Pune or Mumbai, and that wholesaler will again repack the mangoes and sell it to the local consumers or retailers in Mumbai. Now let us look into what are the different operations in handling vegetables. Harvesting and pre-cooling is similar. Cleaning and trimming is new because in vegetables you may want to remove the roots, you may want to remove any leaves, like example flower. In cauliflower you have to remove their leaves, so such cleaning and trimming takes place. Then there will be grading and sorting. In sorting you are removing diseased, decayed plant parts, and in grading you are grading them according to their size and quality. Curing is usually done in case of your root or tuber vegetables. Then you will be doing sizzling, waxing. Usually waxing is not very common in vegetable crops, it's commonly done in fruit crops. Then you have packaging. So after packaging you can directly transport them to the wholesaler, or you can store the fruits for certain duration and then transport it to the wholesaler. After wholesaler again there will be transportation to retailer, consumers, etc. Now we'll quickly go through the different stages. So first, after harvesting, the fruit is brought to the processing plant or to the packing house, and in that case it is dumped together in the packing house or the processing unit. Dumping is nothing but collecting the harvested fruits and vegetable at the packing house. So here you can see this is citrus which is being dumped at the packing house. Next step will be pre-cooling and washing. Pre-cooling, if you are doing using water, that is hydro-cooling, so that will also act as your cleaning or washing of your fruits and vegetables. In washing and cleaning, you are trying to remove any dirt or any microorganism spores on the surface of the fruits and vegetables. For washing and cleaning, you can also use roller brushes, which helps, the bristle of the brushes helps to remove all the dirt or spores on the surface of the fruits and vegetables. After washing and cleaning, usually the fruits are dried, then sorting takes place. Sorting means what? You are trying to remove any diseased, damaged fruits from the good ones. Sorting helps to improve the storage quality of the produce, because if you keep a diseased fruit along with the other good fruits, it will immediately damage the other fruits. Next you can do is waxing. Here is the example, the apple on the left hand side, no wax is used, where on the right hand side waxing is done in these apples. Waxing usually helps to prevent transpiration, it helps to reduce the rate of respiration, reduces the effect of ethylene, helps to store the fruit for longer period, and also improves the appearance of the fruits. Example, the shiny fruit looks more attractive as compared to the unwaxed fruit. Waxing is also usually done, a liquid spray of wax is given to the fruits. Wax here will be sprayed on the fruits, and again there will be roller brushes, and these brushes help to uniformly apply the wax to the entire surface of the fruit. After waxing, the fruits are usually dried, air dried, so that the wax cools down and gets properly applied. After that, you usually do is grading of the fruits. Grading can be done based on the color, based on the quality, and main parameter is the size. So here in this case you see these citruses are being graded on the size. Here this is a better picture. So depending on the size, this citrus will be dropped at that grading station, and these workers will then collect the fruits and pack them. So here is the picture of packing. So the graded citruses are given to the workers, and they will fill the containers depending on the fruit type. So here is a corrugated fiberboard box being used as a container for this grapefruit. So that was packing house. Another method is doing field packaging. That means immediately after the fruits or vegetables are harvested, they are directly packaged on the field itself. So here are the California peppers being directly packed on the field. So after packaging is done, the produce is brought and stored in a cold storage before being transported to different markets. Depending on the produce, the temperature will be adjusted, and it helps in extending the storage period of the produce. So this was a brief overview of different handling practices, packing house practices. Thank you.